Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with my new video today. So if you are stuck not getting your GST or HST credit and want to know about all the taxes information, today I'm gonna show you how you can create a CRA account and access to all your tax information and receive your GST HST credits on time and know more about all child benefits and many more benefits you get by the government of Canada. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's start the video.
Okay guys, so you go CRA login. Once you search CRA login on Google, the first link you see, click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, you will see this page. Then click on My Account. After clicking on My Account, scroll down. You will see these options: sign in partner, CRA sign in, CRA register. So you click on CRA register. So once you click on CRA register, so fill out this social insurance number, your date of birth, and the tax information. Tax information you will find on last year tax information page. You can see in the picture attached, and same here. So, and if you didn't file taxes, so you just fill out a $00. Once you fill this and then click on next, so after clicking on next, you will see these two options. So this is how you want to receive your verification code. Most of them do second option. You can select either one. After selecting one of these options, click on next. Then fill out your postal code so that CRA can send you the verification code. Then here is your final step. Here you can set up your user ID and password. Once you set your user ID and password, click on next again. Then you have to select some question answers because of security. Once you selected all the question, then you will click on next and accept term and condition. So when you see this screen, that means you done all the process. Now you have to wait 5-10 days. They will send you verification code.
Once you get that code, go sign in the username you set up and then fill that code there. And once you fill that code, you should be good to go. So this was all about how you can sign up for CRA account and access all the tax information and receive your GST, HST credits on time. Really find my video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video and share as much you can. Thank you.